Alright y'all, here's something I've been working on at my daily job. This is a 16 horse Briggs & Stratton. It's out of a Toro Workman 2110. The motor seized up and it's no bueno, and you can't find these engines. This one has a tapered shaft, so you know, or just you can't find them. So I'll show you what we did to replace it. All right, we dropped in an 18 horse Briggs & Stratton, non-tapered shaft. Had to buy a new clutch. Had to move the engine this way about 2 inches to get it to line up with the driven clutch. And we're now working on a custom exhaust, because the stock exhaust used to come straight out into this muffler here, and with that pipe on there, the belt, it would rub on the belt. So we had to get a exhaust pipe that would come up and over, and I'm now working on making a U-bend that comes around, up, and then into here. So I'm getting ready to tack weld the pieces together, and I'll show you what that looks like whenever I get it done. Alright y'all, there's what the exhaust looks like, just balked up. This pipe here is already welded together. I just need to put a couple tacks on it, up here and over here and over here, so that I can take it over to the bench and weld it all the way around. But that's what we're doing. Alright y'all, here it is all done. I know the welds are ugly, it's not cleaned up, but it's on, it's in place, it works, so that's all that matters. Good enough for who it's for, I guess. So, alright, cool.